Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome to LaShenny21Nails. Today's manicure is going to be featuring all the Born Pretty store products that were sent to me for review. I'm starting off with the orange nail polish from their Holo series called Pumpkin Carriage. The white brush makes application super smooth and easy. It also dries really quickly. But I noticed it's not as shiny once it dries. Here's a comparison. The holographic effect is beautiful and very noticeable, but when I applied a regular clear top coat, look what happened. It took away the holo effect. So for the rest of the nails, I'm going to use my Born Pretty No Smudge water-based top coat. We'll be stamping from the Born Pretty Plate Valentine's Day collection BP-L001 with my clear Born Pretty stamper and black stamping polish. The stamping plate is very well edged, so the stamper picks up the image without any problems. I use a piece of tape to remove the excess. And I use different nail polishes to fill in the image. Once it's dry, I use white nail polish to cover the roses to ensure that it pops on the nail. After it was completely dry, I decided I wanted to make a nail decal so that I could use different parts of the image on different nails. So I covered the entire image with clear nail polish. When it dried, I carefully peeled it off the stamper. But as you can see, it wasn't completely dry, so part of the polish was still sticking to my hands. I had to be very careful. Then I cut out the individual images for each nail. This part was a little tricky also because they were really close. Once I cut them out, I placed them on stampers to make it easy to apply on the nail. Then I just gently pressed it down. And the parts that weren't sticking to the nail, I applied a little bit of clear top coat to make sure that it attached to the nail properly. Once I was done, it was time for cleanup. I used a nail art brush dipped in acetone to attach the edges of the decal to my nails. I also trimmed off excess pieces of the decal to make it easier for cleanup. To seal in each design, I used my Born Pretty No Smudge top coat, and look how awesome it is. No smudging. To finalize the manicure, I decided to use these beautiful rhinestones. I love that it includes different sizes. I added one to the center of each flower. And the manicure is now complete. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Thank you so much to Born Pretty Store for sending me these products to review and share with you. I highly recommend them all. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!